Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A6x, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector, similar to this one, which should come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip. Straighten out one of the ends, and as long as they don't have that plastic wrap, they should work just as well. Now, if it has plastic wrap, you can cut it off, or just to kind of point it out, typically these tool like things to pop out the tray look a little bit less fancy. They look like a bland piece of metal for no matter what or how expensive the device is. This is actually what I got with a budget phone, just to add insult to injury. But in any case, to get started, we're going to grab our phone and pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. So grab your little tool, pop it in here. There's only one little insert area, and then push it in. And you can see that when you do, the tray pops out enough for you to now just grab it and pull it out. On the tray, you have space. Just going to bring it up close. You have space for one dedicated SIM card and either SIM or SD card. If you're planning to use dual SIM cards, you replace one of them, like I believe so. There we go. Yeah, like this. Now I'm planning to use one of each, so I'm just gonna move it over. There we go. And then pop in the SD card on here as well. Now, there's nothing holding these cards in place other than gravity, so be careful when inserting it back into your device. These cards should enter relatively easily back into the device, and if for some reason it's not, be careful. Sometimes these cards, as you possibly even seen on us, well, inserting one of the, like the SD card kind of jumped up. See if that will happen again. So you can kind of possibly see that little jump. Sometimes when you do this, the card kind of pops out, and when you're pushing it in, it just starts to get wedged in there. So obviously, if it's not going relatively easily, don't try to force it in there. Just make sure all the cards are still in place. Now, once you insert these cards, they should start working right away, hence why I have the SIM card pin show up. I do need to confirm that to unlock my SIM card, and obviously, SIM card is working, and SD card should be working as well. Guess it's not going to show me that. Okay. So, you know what? I'm going to go into the settings where it should show up under storage. If we have that section right here. About device. Oh, there we go. So it's under about device, and you can see right here, SD card, and it's detecting it. So there we go. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.